A very good morning to everyone present here. Respected principal, vice principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Angelina Thomas Matthew, from class 7D, would like to present a few words on Independence Day, August 15th. This is the day each and every Indian is filled with pride and happiness. After decades of enslavement, we finally become free from the British rule on the midnight of August 14, 1947. This year we are celebrating the 75th year of independence. In the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, many freedom fighters like Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and many more have fought for the freedom of India. Mahatma Gandhi gave a do-or-die call to the people of India in a final push to make the British quit. Through non-violent resistance and civil disobedience like Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement, etc., we became independent from the British. Today, we are one of the most powerful democratic countries of the world. We must remember that the peaceful life we are getting today is because of decades of struggle and sacrifices by our freedom fighters. So, being an Indian, it is our responsibility to take care of our country's freedom, unity, and integrity. Let us all give a salute to the soldiers who guard our country, to all the freedom fighters, and to all those who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of India. We all must work together to make our nation the best and be proud to be an Indian. Happy Independence Day to all, and thank you.